God, look at this set that we're on. Do you feel like you're on a disco ball, Mia?
I absolutely do.
So it's almost New Year's Eve. We're going to be focusing on some great looks. We're going to be sharing the products that we're going to be using, and I'm going to start mine with my brows.
And my mom and I cannot see each other right now, so we're gonna try and create a very either similar or different look. Who knows? Mom, you're starting with brows, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start with blush, even though that's a little bit of a random place to begin with, but we're gonna go for it.
So I have hardly any brows, and this is so easy to apply.
I do have eyebrows, but I still need a good eyebrow pencil. Which one is that, Mom?
It's the Anastasia brow pencil and a brow gel.
Ooh, I love Anastasia. And then I'm using the Tarte Party. Perfect for the New Year's Eve party we're going to. Blush that is broken because I've used it so much.
The next thing I'm going to try is the Anastasia brow gel.
Are you finished with the pencil, Mom?
Yes, but one second, I'm still doing my brow gel. And over to you.
Do you need my blush?
Yeah, I would love one.
Thank you.
Here you go.
I've used this product before and I actually really like it. I don't need to draw on my eyebrows as much as my mom does.
So, okay, I have a new makeup resolution, which is that I want to be much more adventurous with my makeup. Mia, I'm going to want you to teach me how to do the cat eye.
Yes, I've been wanting to do that since I was like 14. I love that you use a lot of color. I don't really use any color when it comes to eyeshadow. You do like the fun color pencil liners in green and purple. I want to start experimenting more with that too. Okay, I just finished using this brow pencil and brow gel, Mom. I really like it. Makes them look very defined, but still
And it's
natural.
so easy to use,
Yes,
right?
yes.
I'm going to do my blusher next,
Okay.
and I have the brush,
Okay.
and I'm ready to go.
I'm gonna go for one of these new products over here, the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color Trio. We have Bed of Roses, which is a rosy rose. We have Rose Thorn, which is kind of like almost a brown, deep, darker shade. We have Wild Rose, which is, I'd say, like a champagne-y, glittery, nude, deep pink color. Any preference?
Definitely the first one.
The rosy
and
rose.
I do want to say that I love that everything is rosy because roses are my favorite flower, and Rose is your middle name.
You got it. Rosy Rose coming your way.
Thank you.
It's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna do the darker color, you know?
So I'm using a color called Bed of Roses. Look at that, glimmery. It's super natural. Ooh, it's super natural. I mean, it's really natural. It gives definition.
Mine is a darker, almost brown color. Did you just put it all over your lid or should it be a surprise?
It'll be a surprise.
Okay.
But you know what, Mia? Is there a lighter shade?
There is a lighter shade. Would you
I
like
want
it?
to do a little bit of highlight here in case
coming
you want
around.
to do a bit of highlight.
Oh, thank you.
This is a cool color, Mia. This is called Wild Rose, and it's got. Let me put it on my brow bone.
Oh, brow bone.
Yeah, because
I
I
like
think it's
that.
going to be a great highlighter. Very sophisticated, Mia. I think you'll like this.
Ooh, okay, maybe I will have to use that shade a little bit.
Here, you try it. But here you go.
Thank you.
So I'm on my final step right now. It is time for lipstick. And while I'm doing that, actually, let's talk about our New Year resolutions, Mia. So I found that this year I've kind of been, a little bit all over, not really focusing on the present and the now. And so my resolution for this year is to really focus on being totally present and not thinking about yesterday, what happened, not thinking about what's going to happen tomorrow, but really just enjoying the now.
Aww.
Yeah.
I love that. I think that's a goal that everyone should have always. And I definitely need to focus on that as well.
And I'm dying to see your makeup. So
I
wait.
know. Well, we're gonna
Yes.
wear the same lipstick, right?
Yeah,
Okay. It's probably gonna look very different on us because we have different skin tones, so
right.
makes sense.
But it's a really deep red. It's one of my favorite
Ooh,
colors.
Yeah, this is pretty. This is my mom's lipstick. I've never used it before. It's the Merit Fashion.
Yeah. I mean, and also it's fashion, so that connects with me so much.
Yes. Okay, Mom, so my resolution is this year, you know, we had so much fun. I feel as though it was just the beginning for us, and we already did so many amazing things. But I'm just excited to see where it goes next year, and I know that last year was just a step in our journey together.
In a big journey. I'm trying to peek around the mirror.
Do you want to check out this perfume moment and smell
sure.
it? It looks exciting.
It does.
You go first.
Okay. I feel I should spray it over.
Here.
You should spray some on me too.
New Year's party smell.
I mean, and just look at the packaging.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Isn't it? It's giving New Year's Eve
it's actually
party.
quite sweet.
Yeah.
It's very much like a celebration. You know, celebrating all the senses. So wait, I'm so excited for the review.
I know. I can't wait. Can we see each other yet?
Or should we be in like full outfit?
Yeah, we have to do an outfit transition.
Yeah. Amazing.
Aw, thank you. So do you. Love the lipstick.
Me too. I love yours. Beautiful.
Good taste.